subscribe with notifications on.
Exactly. You see.
If I take a black belly, he must have money.
Must have money. That man must have money. You understand?
No.
Yeah.
No, you must take somebody for his laugh.
Yeah. Yeah, not for the money,
Yeah,
because
Not for the money.
finishes,
Money
Whenever
finishes.
someone gets sick, loses their job and all that,
Yeah.
and you are not married to that person, you are married to the money, what happens then?
You see
You're
now.
gonna leave.
You see. You're right.
This is why you must choose for love.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, very true. And it's only few people are choosing for love lately.
Yeah, they choosing for benefit.
Yeah.
But for benefits.
Yeah, which is
Hey!
very bad, which is very, very bad.
Thank you so much, Mama.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Guys, for your time. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Guys, how are you?
Oh,
Baba, do you speak Sucho, Zulu, Khoza?
I'm African.
African. Now I want to know from you, why is our South African women now moving away from our South African guys now? They want to date African guys who are coming from Congo, Nigeria, Mozambique, and all those type of countries. What is the problem?
I cannot advise you too much on it.
Uh-huh.
I'm from Mozambique.
You're from Mozambique?
My wife is from there.
I'm from Mozambique also. You know, I came to South Africa when I was still young. I think I was 10 years old. I was 10 years old. I'm from Mozambique as well. But I can't even remember where in Mozambique. Cause
Where's your parents?
my parents is in Pretoria.
You move all of family.
Yeah, they are all in Pretoria. All of them. All of them. Baby, come here. I've got a brother here. He's from Mozambique.
How are you, sir?
And the wife is also from Mozambique.
Hello. How are you?
Oh,
Very
so
well,
you
thank
two, yeah, experience on it. They are from South Africa. That's
Yes,
She's
from
South
South
African.
Culture?
Khoza.
Yeah, Khoza. Mozambique.
Mozambique.
He's from
Mozambique is
Mozambique. He's
But I don't know where in Mozambique because I was still young.
He's a South African. He's a long story. He's a South African now, ne? Because he came from Mozambique when he was very little. Now he doesn't know back.
I don't know my background.
He
No,
came
with my
his
parents.
grandmother. The grandmother passed away.
She passed away.
when he was still young. So he doesn't even know where he came, where in
Meaning
Mozambique.
even your surname, you don't know it.
Even my surname, they just told me my surname. I'm using my grandmother's surname.
But his father also passed away.
I don't know my father.
Yeah. So
But
his
it's somewhere
background is Mozambique.
It's-
but
Oh,
he
a family
doesn't
there.
really
Yeah, exactly. Understand?
And your Facebook,
My family is there, but I don't know where.
But he just knows that it was a farm or something like that.
Yeah, it was in
That's all.
that time of Ferrerimos. Remember the time? Yeah, that time.
He's still there, Frelimo.
It's still there. Oh, it's still there.
He's a ruling party as the ANC.
Even now.
The history of SADC.
I even told him that we should go. I told him we should go.
The
Just to
history
go
of
and
SADC.
see.
Yeah.
He doesn't know where exactly.
Yeah.
Frelimo,
Yeah.
that is Zanapu from Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
All of those countries
Yeah.
is a one party.
Oh.
So all together in Tanzania they
Okay.
organize the groups to be against apartheid teams. That was Portuguese here was a bull. It was there in Tanzania.
Wow. You see now, I was so little. I don't know nothing about those
You
things.
must
there.
go back.
You don't
Even
know
if
there.
like you don't know where exactly you're from when you were young, you can just go there, see if you can do something. Maybe get a stand for yourself, build a house. Like
No,
you just,
don't
I
need to
don't
be
know.
there. Just to find some family.
Your identity. Yeah.
He chose to be in South Africa.
Yeah.
That doesn't make nothing. Like
Yeah. Plus now you've got free. You've got a passport. You can go anywhere you want to go.
Exactly.
Why
it's
not
not
to
about passport. It's just to know your roots.
The roots, exactly. Mm.
Maybe some luck is blocked there.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, you're right. Maybe some luck blocks there because of, you know.
Get the family. It's a beach like this.
Yeah.
So go just to enjoy it there.
Yeah, exactly. You know. No, guys, I think I must do that, guys. You know.
Come back to you.
You know, but you know what? My situation. I was talking to my wife the other day. I said, you know what? There are so many people in Johannesburg, in Pretoria, on my who are same situation, but they are hiding. They are hiding with their South African passport. They are hiding with their South African
Maybe you
ID.
came at the same time when
May-
you came.
We are all three. We got the ID, South African's ID.
Mm.
But we're talking our language. My car is that you can see the number plate is different.
Oh, MLV, yes, yes.
I can't hide myself. I got the South African ID. South African ID.
Mama,
We are here. with
unayo
the-
passport ya South Africa na wena?
ID.
Unayona? ID yakona?
Yes.
Awuna passport?
Nayo.
Unayo na wena? Kahle kahle kahle. Konisa kala yini kahle kahle. Impilo na yini kahle kahle.
You can see mine is here.
Are you serious?
And
It's the original.
Erikakale.
It's not the first thing here.
Ya original eh.
Lele amakhadi.
Hayi le amakhathi le. Ya khadi. Anayo na passport. Anayo le manje fo. Hayi, ya mina yari so ya baby, ya mina yari so. ID ya mina yari so na yona. Onna khadi mo so
I know. When I met him, he didn't have ID. He only had a copy. I don't know what was going on.
I lost it.
But I got him ID. I gave him.
You see how good it is sometimes to travel around, you know, meet people. I was telling people, yeah, socialize with people, exactly. Yeah.
It's a better way.
No, thank you so much.
Because otherwise you wouldn't even know. You wouldn't even know that you
So
met
you
up with
became with
them.
one question. Why the South African women
Eh.
with the
Hey, why there's South African women?
The question must she got the less.
Oh, no, I asked a question. Why our South African women are leaving our South African guys are dating?
I already told him my answer long time ago. I said, okay, he started with me. He started with me and I
You
told
give him the answer.
I gave him the answer.
No, she's a South African, and that's my wife. You understand? That's my wife. And the thing is, I'm going around to asking people why our South African guys and women are leaving our South African guys are going to.
The same follow you two heads. It's the same follow which you two heads. It's like you when you want.
Yeah, but when I met him, you know what he told me? He told me was a Tswana. But I was confused.
I get it, mama. And
You know why? You know I was already in, so there was no way for me to run.
What's the difference?
Because he told me Horena, he's a Tswana, and I believed him because he was speaking Tswana so fluently. So I was like, oh, he's a Tswana, then it's fine. But I suspected. I asked him, Mana, okay, what is your surname? I asked him Khoza, and then Khoza from where? Khoza Babakai. There's something called Isiduko, like Congo, you know? So I got him first one was a how? Anason.
You know, guys, you know, guys, there are so many people out there who are sitting in the same situation as me.
I'm so interested to know more. What is going on? Why would I Spongo, you know? So what is the Spongo? Then I told him mine. And then I was like, huh? What is that? Say it again.
Maybe it's a family on the surname, that's why I don't want to say. He said, I was going to lose my sister.
Yeah, so antam loser phela. Angata wansati phela.
Okay, mine is